Today sikhuluma ke ngomuthi okwakha umuzi, meaning that umuthi to build a healthy relationship with your partner. We have so many encounters that we undertake ngesimo sokuthi abantu baba nama-problems within the relationships. Now ngokusho njalo ke more specifically so ngokuthi imishado yabantu iyaphuka ngesimo sokuthi kwenzakalani. Now uthola umuntu ukuthi udivorce more than 5 times. Uthola umuntu udivorce more than 3 times because of kunomkhokha. Now we must check ukuthi lelo mkhokho lo uqhamuka kuphi and why it's happening. Ngoba manje ngesimo sokuthi ke manje kuba nenkinga yokuthi ekhaya khabo mama, ekhaya khabo mkhulu, wherever kuba nesimo sokuthi kube nedlozi elihambe lingashadanga. Now kuba umkhokha, it becomes a bad energy to the whole family, to generations ekufuza ukuthi manje liyagezwa liyasusa leyo mkhokha loyo, meaning that ke loyo lelo dlozi liza ngesimo sokuthi alifuna umunye umuntu ukuthi agane, alifuna umunye umuntu ukuthi athathe akhumuze abe nabantwana abe right, ngoba manje iba futhi nenkinga ukuthi umuntu angakwazi ukuthi abe nezingane akhumuze wakhe umuntu hlezi athola ama miscarriages. It's because of isimo sokuthi idlozi lidla ukuthi ugane, lidla your lifestyle as it is. Ngokusho njalo ke kuba nenkinga yokuthi it's either it becomes idlozi, or it's either it becomes witchcraft, or it's either it's a bad habit yokuthi manje when we have that energy umkhokha lo yokuthi awukwazi ukuhlala emshadweni manje une spirit sokuthi manje idlozi lakho ispirit sakho sisiyezi sibhizi ngesonke isikhathi. Now icala ngokuthi ke manje kwamele kugezwe ikhaya, icala ngokuthi futhi kwamele kugeze wena as a person kususe loyo mkhokha loyo, because of now it becomes a bad habit ukuthi manje you are once a person uba isoka as a guy, uba isoka sokuthi manje you've been to woman, that becomes a bad energy to you eyenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi manje ukwazi wakho umuzi ngendlela efanelekile, because of you have taken energies from different kinds of women. So manje it overthrows you in a sense ukuthi ungakwazi ukuba stable because of that energy resides within your space. So now you need to ukuthi manje ugeze leyo mkhokha loyo, you need to cleanse all those energies, because of now kuba namasiko ayenziwayo mandulo ukuthi mawugana udliswa inyama kanti ngesikhathi ke manje ingasebenzi ukuthi umuntu ahlale. It's because of now umkhokha ukhona phakathi kuwena, meaning the spirit ihlezi kuwena isuku, kwamele kugezwe lelo simo leso, kwamele kugezwe loyo mkhokha loyo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi wakhe umuzi ngokuphelele. Now kuba nesimo sokuthi kube nabantu abadlisiwe, idlozi elihambe lidlisiwe, definitely sure uzoba nenkinga ukuthi nawe udliswe ukuthi manje ungakwazi ukuthi wakhe umuzi ngendlela efanelekile. Khona umuntu emndenini ukuthi bangafuni ukuthi umuntu wakho bangamfuni ukuthi bamthande kahle kahle. It's because of now kuba na this bad energy, kuba na this hatred towards your partner. Uthi uyintroduce kumama wakho kuba bakho bamzondi nje bangamfuni bangamthandisisi. It's either your partner has a bad spirit, it's either your partner has bad tendencies ekumele ukuthi aziyekela, or it's just natural ukuthi wena kini bakhethile umuntu ukuthi uthandane naye. Into ekumele ukuthi yenze is that you must just fight for your relationship ngendlela eningi ehlukahlukene, because of now there's so many bad energies and so many bad habits ezenzakala within two people. Na uthole ukuthi nomzali wakho qobo lwakho akuyele enyangeni avale ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uthandane nalomuntu othandana naye, uthi mawuya komunye that into ayenzile ukuthi avale lo kade oqala uze naye iyakwazi ukuthi manje nabe ukuthi ingakwazi ukuthi manje ingene komunye uthi uthanda nomunye, still you get the same problem yokuthi manje akasafuneki or nivele nihlukane. It's because of now icale kuphi, icale ukuthi bavele banithakatha nina self ukuthi manje ningathandani na that first partner ngendlela ukuthi manje your relationship ingabe healthy. So na into ekumele ukuthi yenze is that kwamele ugeze loyo mkhokha loyo, or kwamele ugeze lelo dlozi lelo, or kwamele ugeze those bad habits. Now lo muthi lo it simply means ukuthi manje uphalaza ngawo and uyasicelela ukuthi umshado wakho ube njani, ugeza isystem yakho, ugeza all the things that happened from the past ongazazi, the present and the future, ukuthi into zakho zibonakale ngendlela efanele, ukwakha umuzi, sithi wakha umuzi, mawukha umuzi ukuthi manje even if your partner nanoma aba bad habits nyalo consistently, so akuna peace ekhaya because of now igama leni, your relationship inomsindo yona itself, meaning that kuthi kudala nithukwa kudala nini basabotage ukuthi manje your relationship ingabi ngendlela efanelekile. Now kuba nama tendencies futhi ukuthi uthole ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ipartner yakho ukuthande kakhulu. You go an extra mile ukuthi uthathe lokhu uhlanganise imithi ugeze nini ungifaka ama love potion. Leyo kuba mkhokha mase nihlukene senixabene futhi, that stays with you. You need to cleanse all that bad habits, you need to remove all that bad spirit, you need to remove zonke le mkhokha loyo ongafuni ngale nduku le. So now it depends on the situation ukuthi ugeza kanjani. It's either ugeza ngayo esigangeni to break the curse, it's either ugeza ngayo emfuleni to break the curse. Kuya ngokuthi manje emathanjeni ivela kanjani ukuthi i-situation yakho iqhamuka kuphi kanjani, ngoba manje uyazama kwakho umuzi ayi uhlulekile, so lobole maybe ngayi-50 akuhlangane, ukhipha inkomo ukhipha imbuzi akuhlangane ugeziwe wenziweni, kanti hayi khona kunomkhokha kumele ukuthi ususwe. Ngesinye isikhathi siyahamba siyageza enyangeni sibanjani sithi no, it is ugeza situation, kanti we must get the foundation, which means edlozini lakho or la iqhamuka khona, meaning that kwamele kugezwe idlozi before kugezwa wena. So wena kule nduku ehlanganiswa kwamele ilande ngqo la iqhamuka khona, meaning that kwamele ishaye idlozi straight or yenziwe to rectify all those mistakes, because of now isikhathi sizala abazali bethu benza ama-mistake amaningi now kuba umkhokha kithi. Nini ke umuntu uyashada uba umshado white wedding, traditional wedding, kuba nabathakathi abazayo kuwe to that event ukuthi bavale umshadweni bathele izinto benzeke. Then uma ngale down the line nishade for 1 year 2 years and then you get a divorce, it's because kunomkhokha owenziwe okumele ukuthi manje uyasuswa. Umshado uyaqiniswa, umshado uyagezwa, umshado uyalungiswa ukuthi nibe na healthy relationship ngesimo sokuthi manje nibonane as much as nibonane from the first time ni date. So now kuba kuhle ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi nigeze, nisuse lo mkhokha loyo, nisuse that energy, nisuse zonke ichitho neziqoqo nezicelekiso ezilethiwe phakathi emndenini ngendlela engafanelekile. So le induku ke manje yokuqinisa umuzi, induku ukuthi ugeze umuzi, induku ukuthi wena nepartner yakho nihlezi nibona ngendlela efanelekile, nisuse ichitho neziqoqo nezicelekiso. Ngokusho njalo ke induku yabathandani. Thokozani.